Silent danger in your home: more toxic than cigarettes and cause respiratory problems, headaches and even cancer. Use this instead. Who doesn't love the nice smelling candles in their home? They can improve our mood and make nice atmosphere for all of us. But did you know that they can be dangerous for you and your health? Well, yes, because most of the candles contain paraffin or paraffin mixture in them. The manufacturers are using this petroleum derivative because it's a cheap type of wax. People who suffer from asthma may experience even more respiratory problems when there are scented candles which contain high amounts of paraffin in them. You should also know that this can be dangerous, just like second-hand smoking. When this type of paraffin is melted, it discharges fumes that are similar to those of a diesel engine. So when you have scented candles in your home, they will fill up the air with carcinogenic chemicals which can be really bad for you. Carcinogens like benzene and toluene are released into the air when the paraffin is melted, and they can cause many different health problems from headaches to lung cancer. The National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health, NIOSH, highly recommends that you should limit your exposure to paraffin wax fumes. A recent study has also found that these paraffin fumes can also cause more severe diseases such as kidney and liver tumors. Well, there are more than 20 toxins in the paraffin candle wax. These are the most dangerous: acetone trichlorofluoromethane, carbon disulfide 2-butanone, trichloroethene, carbon tetrachloride, tetrachloroethene, chlorobenzene, ethylbenzene, styrene, xylene, phenol, cresol, cyclopentene. There are also synthetic scents and colors added to these scented candles. These ingredients can also lead to some allergic reactions. You should definitely avoid scented candles like Glade candles, Febreze candles and cheap aromatherapy candles. The famous gel candles contain the same petrochemicals as the paraffin, but they pose even greater danger, because their glass containers sometimes explode. And you must avoid cheap scented candles from the dollar store because they are usually imported and they may contain lead wicks. Here's what you should buy instead. Soy candles. The soy candles are very famous because they are the healthiest and best alternative of paraffin candles. These candles burn clean and longer than the paraffin candles, and they are soot-free. The only downside of these candles is that they will spoil without a preservative, and they often contain bleach and hardeners. And the worst thing about these candles is that they are made of soy, and we all know that soy is the most genetically modified crop in the USA. Beeswax candle. These candles come in all shapes and sizes. You can find them molded or in a glass container. The beeswax candles don't contain toxins and they are soot-free. These candles won't cause any allergies and they burn the brightest. They burn much cleaner than the other candles, and the beeswax candles burn 5 times longer than the paraffin candles. The beeswax candles emit negative ions in the air when they burn, invigorating the human body. These candles are much more expensive than the other scented candles, but they can be easily made in your home. You should definitely replace the scented candles with these two healthier and much better alternatives. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share with your friends and family.